everybody, Danny here. We got a second tree we're going to paint today. Let's head on over to easel and get to painting. I'll meet you there. And here we are. Okay, good to have you back with me today. And good to have Dryer back. Okay, I made the marks on here a little bit darker so we can see a little better what we're doing. And this one, this side I think needs some yellow. It's always good. Let's throw a little bit of red up in here too, just to kind of tint. Just to tint a bit. Okay. Let's put a little bit more down here like that. There we are. There we go. Keep the little guy happy here. Our little tree form. And just drop a little bit of green in there. See how that works? See how that works? Look at there. Much better. Okay, now I'm going to come in to some red, but it's not diluted at all. Now we'll just kind of let that play around in there like that. And I think we can do the same with a little green here. There we go. Now, one of the fun things about this is just letting the paint do whatever it is that it wants to. Just like that. There we go. Be with me tomorrow, and we'll start working on the big bamboo. Let's, even though I wasn't overly impressed with the salt yesterday, let's just put some salt in here. Just to see what it might want to do, okay? There we go. Be sure to like, subscribe, follow, hit the link. Be with me tomorrow, for goodness sakes. And I want you to remember always that we need your comments, and that Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you, we love you. And there we go. Tree number 2's in. Looking good. Tomorrow, we'll do the big mama. Okay, until then, remember, Ann and I love you. We love you, we love you. We love you and you and you too.